Hi.
We are.
I don't know that I have any problems today.
That's not what this is about. This isn't about problems. This is about co-creating at its best.
Okay.
A little tug of war here.
Everything's going good.
As it should.
This is even better.
Because things are always working out for you.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in this moment in time, this powerful now, this juncture where you meet you, and of course you meet you all the time, but here in this environment, you're meeting you in a stronger way. So what is it that you want to proclaim? What impulse is flowing through you?
Everything seems to work out for me. A little at a time.
It's just something that you know.
It's something that I have observed from listening.
So you don't worry about the timing of it, you trust the timing of it.
I trust it, yeah, 100%.
And when an impulse comes, is that the indication to you that the timing for at least this impulse is now?
When I ponder a thought and it comes to pass in a positive way by clarifying it, then I count that as it worked out.
So do you wait for the manifestation to confirm the impulse, or are you getting better at acknowledge the impulse even before? Can you feel more and more what is going to work out in a stronger way? What we're asking is, do you believe that you are getting better at focusing? In other words, because this is what we want you to hear from us. This is what we feel so strongly around you. So you figured this stuff out. You've been listening and you figured it out. And now you're in a place where you are, let us begin again. So sometimes people say, how deliberate of a creator should I be? Because at first we say, you create your own reality, and you said, oh, good. And then we said, you create your own reality, and you said, oh, no, because it felt like responsibility. And then we said, be deliberate about what you think. And then you said, oh, cancel, as you worried about the thoughts that you were thinking. And then we said, get into the receiving mode and receive what the vortex has whipped up for you. And now a lot of you are in a sort of aligned place where often you receive the impulse, but you are in a sort of wait and see place rather than in a now it's time to turn on the juice of focus place. And that really is what we want to say to you, is that you have figured out step 1, and you've figured out step 2, and you've figured out step 3. And now, as you focus more specifically on the things that are important to you, you're now in a place where the universe will begin to deliver to you with more precision the details of what you want. Because you're right, things are always working out for you, and that really feels good. And you've worked most of the details out in step 1. But there is such an exhilarating life force that flows through you when you understand how all of this works, and then you begin to focus. It's almost as if you are dictating to the universe the details of what you want. So we've been saying to people, if you're not really in alignment and not steadily in alignment, then talking about what you want works against you. But if you are steadily in alignment, if you are trusting the laws of the universe, and you are feeling good about your own worthiness as you are, then the more detail you give to the specifics about what you want, the more satisfying the experience is. And so that's our message for you. That's what you lighted up in the back of the room asking about.
I think that is true.
Yeah.
That's exactly.
Something more?
I'm good.
Really good.
Thank you.
Really good. Really good. Do you like being the creator of your own experience? Yes. Do you like being the accidental creator of your own experience? Do you like being the deliberate creator of your own experience? You like being aware of what you're creating? You like that hands-on feeling?